Hello everyone. Today I went to my friend's house to help her clean out her closet because she really needed help and it was very dusty and it really oh, okay. It really was parts of my allergies to dust and I decided to I decided to take out a feather. Oh. Take out a feather and tickle my nose to get some of these sneezes out. So I'm just taking the feather, moving it around my nose, trying to sneeze. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 so tickly. Oh, oh, it teases so much. Oh, 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 stuck. Oh, 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 so tickly. Oh my. Oh, oh, the feather's so soft and tickly. My nose is just so. Huh. Uh-huh. Huh. 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 Uh, oh, stuck. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, my eyes are watering so much. Crying. I'm gonna try to get out that stuck sneeze. My nose is still so tickly. The dust just stays and leaves a dull tickle. I just want it to come out. Oh, oh, It's so stuck. Oh. Oh. Sorry, I'm not sneezing a lot. I just can't get this out. Getting a new feather. Okay. Let's try one more time. Oh. Oh God. I don't think it's coming out. Sorry, guys.